Today I will show you pictures and say words that have the sound. Place your top teeth on your bottom lip and blow out a long flow of air. You can also tuck your lower lip under your upper teeth and place the tip of your pointer finger on the bottom lip below your teeth. After I say each word, I will wait 3 seconds so you can repeat the word after me. Don't worry about saying the words correctly. Just do your best. Ready? Great. Let's begin. Fur. Farmer. Feather. Follow. Funny. Fussy. Photo. Face. Fall. Fat. Feed. Feet. Fetch. Fish. Five. Food. Fork. Fudge. Full. Phone. Thank you.